Hey everyone, welcome to this new video on relationship between food and healthy skin. I'm Parul Dubey, Senior Nutritionist at Healthify Me. Now the human body is an incredible machine. Part of what makes it so impressive is its ability to regenerate itself. Your outer layer of skin, the epidermis, replaces itself every 35 days. So the quality of the skin regenerated depends on the quality of your food intake. The relationship between food and skin health is quite complex. And all of us know that the quality of our skin is a reflection or a mirror to our inner health. And as scientists learn more about diet and the body, it's increasingly clear that what you eat can significantly impact the health and aging of your skin. Now, before we proceed further, make sure that you have subscribed to or followed Healthify Me. Let's take a closer look at the 12 best foods for keeping your skin healthy. My top go-to is fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, herring are excellent foods for healthy skin. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for maintaining skin health. Omega-3 fatty acids are necessary to help keep skin thick, supple, and moisturized. In fact, an omega-3 fatty acid deficiency can cause dry skin. The omega-3 fats in fish reduce inflammation, which can cause redness and acne. That can even make your skin less sensitive to the sun's harmful UV rays. Some studies show that fish oil supplements may help fight inflammatory and autoimmune conditions affecting your skin, such as psoriasis and lupus. Fatty fish is also a source of vitamin E, one of the most important antioxidants for your skin. Getting enough vitamin E is essential for helping protect your skin against damage from free radicals and inflammation. This type of seafood is also a source of high-quality protein, which is needed for maintaining the strength and integrity of your skin. Lastly, fish provide zinc, a mineral vital for regulating inflammation, overall skin health, the production of new skin cells. Zinc deficiency can lead to skin inflammation, lesions, and delayed wound healing. So in summary, fatty fish like salmon contain omega-3 fatty acids that can reduce inflammation and keep your skin moisturized. They're also a good source of high-quality protein, vitamin E, and zinc. Now my second top food is avocados. Avocados are high in healthy fats. These fats benefit many functions in your body, including the health of your skin. Getting enough of these fats is essential to help keep skin flexible and moisturized. One study involving over 700 women found that a high intake of total fat, specifically the types found in avocados, was associated with more supple, springy skin. Preliminary evidence also shows that avocados contain compounds that may help protect your skin from sun damage. UV damage to your skin can cause wrinkles and other signs of aging. Avocados are also a good source of vitamin E, which is an important antioxidant that helps protect your skin from oxidative damage. Interestingly, vitamin E seems to be more effective when combined with vitamin C. And vitamin C is also essential for healthy skin. Your skin needs to create collagen, which is the main structural protein that keeps your skin strong and healthy. Vitamin C deficiency is rare these days, but common symptoms include dry, rough, and scaly skin that tends to bruise easily. Vitamin C is also an antioxidant that helps protect your skin from oxidative damage. A 100-gram serving or about half an avocado provides 14% of the daily value for vitamin E and 11% of the daily value for vitamin C. In short, avocados are high in beneficial fats and contain vitamin E and C, which are important for healthy skin. They also pack compounds that may protect your skin from sun damage. Now my third top food are walnuts. Walnuts have many characteristics that make them excellent food for healthy skin. They're a good source of essential fatty acids, which are fats that the body cannot make itself. In fact, they are richer than most other nuts in both omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. A diet too high in omega-6 may promote inflammation, include inflammatory conditions of your skin like psoriasis. On the other hand, omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation in your body, including your skin. Because walnuts contain a good ratio of these fatty acids, they may help fight the potential inflammatory response to excessive omega-6. What's more, walnuts contain other nutrients that your skin needs to function properly and stay healthy. 28 grams of walnuts or 1 ounce contains 8% of the dietary value for zinc. Zinc is essential for your skin to function properly as a barrier. It's also necessary for wound healing and combating both bacteria and inflammation. Walnuts also provide small amounts of the antioxidant vitamin E and selenium, in addition to 4 to 5 grams of protein per serving. So in summary, walnuts are a good source of essential fatty acids, zinc, vitamin E, selenium and protein, all of which are nutrients your skin needs to stay healthy. Now my fourth food is sunflower seeds. In general, nuts and seeds are good sources of skin boosting nutrients. Sunflower seeds are an excellent example. 1 ounce or 28 grams of sunflower seeds packs 49% of the daily value for vitamin E, 41% of the daily value for selenium, 14% of the daily value for zinc. So in summary, sunflower seeds are an excellent source of nutrients, including vitamin E, which is an important antioxidant for the skin. Now my fifth top food are sweet potatoes. Beta-carotene is a nutrient found in plants. It functions as a pro-vitamin A, which means it can be converted into vitamin A in your body. Beta-carotene is found in oranges and vegetables such as carrots, spinach, sweet potatoes, and sweet potatoes are an excellent source. Half a cup, that is about 100 grams of serving of baked sweet potato, contains enough beta-carotene to provide more than 6 times the daily value of vitamin A. Carotenoids like beta-carotene help keep your skin healthy by acting as a natural sunblock. When consumed, this antioxidant is incorporated into your skin and helps protect your skin cells from sun exposure. This may help prevent sunburn, cell death, and dry, wrinkled skin. So in summary, sweet potatoes are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which acts as a natural sunblock and may protect your skin from sun damage. Now my sixth go-to food are your red and yellow bell peppers, my favorite. Just like sweet potatoes, bell peppers are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. 1 cup of chopped red bell peppers contains the equivalent of 156% of the daily value for vitamin A. They are also one of the best sources of vitamin C. This vitamin is necessary for creating the protein collagen, which keeps skin firm and strong. A single cup of bell peppers provides an impressive 211% of the daily value for vitamin C. A large observational study involving women linked eating plenty of vitamin C to a reduced risk of wrinkled and dry skin with age. So in summary, bell peppers contain plenty of beta-carotene and vitamin C, both of which are important antioxidants for your skin. Vitamin C is also necessary to create collagen, the structural protein that keeps your skin strong. Hey guys, don't forget, you will need to track all your food that you eat. Download the Healthify Me app from the link in the description below and track your calories in your food. You will be able to track over 55,000 foods, receive real-time insights and automated analytics on your health. Now my seventh go-to food is broccoli. Broccoli is full of many vitamins and minerals important for skin health, including zinc, vitamin A and vitamin C. It also contains lutein, a carotenoid that works like beta-carotene. Lutein helps protect your skin from oxidative damage. which can cause your skin to become dry and wrinkled. Broccoli florets also pack a special compound called sulforaphane, which boasts some impressive potential benefits. It may have anti-cancer effects, including on some types of skin cancer. Sulforaphane is likewise a powerful protective agent against sun damage. It works in two ways: neutralizing harmful free radicals and switching on the other protective systems in your body. Evidence suggests sulforaphane may also help maintain collagen levels in your skin. So in summary, broccoli is a good source of vitamins, minerals and carotenoids that are important for skin health. It also contains sulforaphane, which may help prevent skin cancer and protect your skin from sunburn. Now my 8th top food is tomatoes. Tomatoes are a great source of vitamin C and contain all the major carotenoids, including lycopene. Beta-carotene, lutein and lycopene have been shown to protect your skin against damage from the sun. They may also prevent wrinkling. Because tomatoes are rich in carotenoids, they are an excellent food for maintaining healthy skin. Consider pairing carotenoid-rich foods like tomatoes with a source of fat, such as cheese or olive oil. Fat increases your absorption of the carotenoids. So in summary, tomatoes are a good source of vitamin C and all of the major carotenoids, especially lycopene. These carotenoids protect your skin from sun damage and also may help prevent wrinkling. Now my 9th food is soy. Soy contains isoflavones, a category of plant compounds that can either mimic or block estrogen in your body. Isoflavones may benefit several parts of your body, including your skin. One small study involving middle-aged women found that eating isoflavones from soy every day for around 8 to 12 weeks reduced fine wrinkles and improved skin elasticity. In postmenopausal women, soy may also improve skin dryness and increase collagen, which helps keep your skin smooth and strong. These isoflavones not only help protect the cells inside your body from damage but also your skin from UV radiation, which may reduce the risk of some skin cancers. So in summary, soy contains isoflavones which have been shown to improve wrinkles, collagen, skin elasticity and skin dryness, as well as protect your skin from UV damage. Now my 10th food, my favorite, is dark chocolate. If you need one reason to eat chocolate, here it is. The effects of cocoa on your skin are pretty phenomenal. After 6 to 12 weeks of consuming a cocoa powder high in antioxidants each day, participants in the study experienced thicker, more hydrated skin. Their skin was also less rough and scaly, less sensitive to sunburn and had better blood flow, which brings more nutrients to your skin. Another study found that eating 20 grams of high antioxidant dark chocolate per day could allow your skin to withstand over twice as much UV radiation before burning compared with eating low antioxidant chocolate. Several other studies have observed similar results, including improvements in the appearance of wrinkles. Make sure to choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa to maximize the benefits and keep added sugar to a minimum. So, in summary, cocoa contains antioxidants that may protect your skin against sunburn. These antioxidants may also improve wrinkles, skin thickness, hydration, blood flow, and skin texture. Now my 11th food is green tea. Green tea may help protect your skin from damage and aging. The powerful compounds found in green tea are called catechins and work to improve the health of your skin in several ways. Like several other antioxidant containing foods, green tea can help protect your skin against sun damage. Green tea also improves the moisture, roughness, thickness, and elasticity of the participant's skin. While green tea is a great choice for healthy skin, you may want to avoid drinking your tea with milk, as there's evidence that milk could reduce the effect of green tea's antioxidants. So in summary, the catechins found in green tea are powerful antioxidants that can protect your skin against sun damage and reduce redness, as well as improve its hydration, thickness and elasticity. Now my last final food is red grapes. Red grapes are famous for containing resveratrol, a compound that comes from the skin of red grapes. Resveratrol is credited with a wide range of health benefits. Among them is reducing the effects of aging. This beneficial compound is also found in red wine. Unfortunately, there's not much evidence that the amount of resveratrol you get from a glass of red wine is enough to affect your skin. And since red wine is an alcoholic beverage, there are negative effects to drinking it in excess. It's not recommended to start drinking red wine just because of its potential health benefits. Instead, you should increase your intake of red grapes and berries. So in summary, resveratrol, the famous antioxidant found in red grapes, may slow your skin's aging process by impairing harmful free radicals that damage your skin. We hope you liked our video. Do like this video if you learned something new today. You can share this video with your family, friends and your loved ones. And you can also add this video to your own personal playlist so that you can come back and watch it anytime. Chat with our coaches on WhatsApp today. Connect with Healthify-Me's top nutritionists and trainers from the comfort of your phone. Click the link in the description below and start your consultation now. Let us know in the comment section if we missed out on anything, or if you have any suggestions or questions about this particular topic. If you have not subscribed to or followed our Healthify-Me channel yet, go ahead and click on the subscribe or follow button. If you are on YouTube, hit the bell icon to stay tuned to more videos from Healthify-Me. Thank you for watching.